Hey guys, Mrs.Roopa here, and I am bringing you another fun and easy experiment that you can do at home. Today we're going to be talking about the topic of refraction. And refraction and reflection are both really cool topics that have a lot of science experiments that go along with them. Today we're going to focus in on just refraction though. So the supplies that you're going to need are paper, any kind of paper. It could be computer paper, construction paper, whatever you have. I just happen to be using a notebook today. You'll also need some kind of marker or pen or pencil. And you'll also need a glass of water that's pretty full, kind of filled to the brim, okay? And so I'm gonna go over the why and the how of our experiment, and then we're gonna do it. So refraction is the bending of light. So that's what refraction is. When light passes through a transparent object, and a transparent object in our case would be our glass of water, it's completely clear, you can see through it. The light bends, it refracts. So it doesn't, when it goes straight through, it bends away. The glass acts as a convex lens, and that is what's going to invert our image. And invert means it's going to flip our image. So my image right here has an arrow that's pointing over to the left, but when we put our glass in front of the image, it's going to look just a little bit different, and that's where the experiment comes into play. So let's jump in. I'm going to put my glass in front of this image, and I want you guys to see, does it look the same as what I've drawn? All right, guys, let's jump in and try our experiment. So the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and draw your picture. So first, I have an arrow that's pointing off to the left, and then right next to that, I have a little smiley face, and her eyes are looking over to the right. So let's go ahead and move our glass of water across the arrow. Okay. So what do you notice about the arrow? It's pointing to the left on the paper, but when you shift the glass over, that arrow is now flipped and is now pointing to the right. That is refraction. The glass is acting as a convex lens, and it is inverting the image. Okay, let's shift the glass all the way over to the smiley face, and her eyes, remember, are pointing to the right. All right, guys, let's go ahead and move our glass over to the smiley face. So on the paper, her eyes were looking over to the right. What do you guys notice about her eyes looking through the glass? They're now looking to the left. How cool is that? Again, that bending of light, that refraction, our glass acting as a convex lens, inverting that image. All right, guys, so I challenge you at home to draw out some pictures and see what they look like when you have enough light and you have a glass of water acting as a convex lens. See if those images are inverted.